In this video, I am going to show you how you can sell subscriptions on your Shopify store. Take a look at this product. It's food for dogs, and it is offering a subscription plan for the customers. And I am going to create a similar subscription offer in this video. To get started, simply head over to your Shopify dashboard. Here, I will go to the products option on the left. Before we set up the subscription, it is important to add the necessary products. So, click on Add Products. Next, enter your product details, such as the product name, description, images, etc. For now, I will simply copy the details from this demo page. I've copied the title and description, and now I will upload the images too. I will arrange these images in the right order. Next, I will enter the price of the product and then compare at price of the product too. Lastly, I will enter the inventory details here. And then I will click on the Save button to save all the changes. Once the product is added, it's time for us to install an app, which will offer the subscription feature on our store. To do that, head over to the Apps option on the left. Here, search for Subscription. This will take us to the Shopify App Store, where you'll see different subscription apps. Here, you'll find hundreds of apps for subscription. I personally like this Subby subscription app, but it is a bit advanced. For this video, we will go with Appsol Subscriptions app, which is very easy to use and beginner-friendly too. Here, you can see the ratings and reviews of the app. If you scroll down, you'll see all the features of the app, which is available in the free plan. Alright, now I will click on this Install button to install the app on my store. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a page like this. To create a subscription plan, click on this Next Step button. Next, enter a plan name here. Since we are selling dog food as an example, I will type it here. This name won't be available to your customers, as it is only for internal purposes. Next, to add your product, click on this Browse Product option. Search for the product here, then select the product, and then confirm. Next, we need to add subscription frequency. So, click on this Edit button here. You will see these options here. I will change the frequency to 1 week. Under Display Content, I will change it to Weekly Subscription. We also have the option to add a description here. Under Offer Incentives, I can add some discounts on the subscription. For now, I will increase the discount to 10%. We can also change the discount after a certain number of payments. I will change the discount after 5 payments. And I will reduce the discount to 5%. We have some other settings under Policies. I recommend keeping it as it is. And then click here to save all the changes. As you can see, the weekly subscription plan is added here. I also want to add a monthly subscription plan. So, I will repeat the same process to add a monthly subscription. For monthly subscription, I will only give a 5% discount. And the rest of the settings will be the same as the weekly subscription. Alright, now I will click on the Save button to save the changes. The next step is to enable the Appsol widget on our Shopify app. To do that, click on this Go to Shopify button. This will take you to the Shopify editor. Here, you need to make sure that the app is enabled. And then hit the Save button. Now, head back to your dashboard and click on this Start Selling button. Here, we need to select a plan for the app. For now, let's continue with the free plan. Next, you'll see the disclaimer here. Click on the I Understand button. One thing to note here is that the subscription app only works with very few payment gateways. The subscription app will only work if any one of these payment gateways are added in your store. Of course, I am using a demo store. And I've already enabled this test payment gateway here. And I've also created a video where I have mentioned step-by-step how to add a payment gateway and also customize your store checkout. If you want to follow it, I will leave a link to that in the video description. Coming back to our Appsol dashboard, you'll see this customized widget option. Appsol offers 7 different widgets options. On the right side, you'll see the widget preview. You can simply change the widgets here and preview every single one of them. But keep in mind that the free plan only offers the first widget. To access other widgets, you must upgrade to a paid plan. Next, we have the Widget Configuration tab. You can enable or disable these settings based on your needs. Next, under Labels, you'll get the option to change the texts. For example, I can change this Purchase Option text to Payment Option, and so on. We have widget content labels, selling plan labels, and much more. Next, we have customization settings, which allows you to change fonts and colors. All these settings are very self-explanatory. You can spend some time here and play around with these options if you want to. We also have this View Tutorial option, from which you can access a step-by-step guide which explains each and every setting of this app. After the widget customization, we also have the customer panel customization. This is similar to the widget customization. The only difference is that you are making changes to the customer panel. I will tell you more about this towards the end of the video. For now, let's open our Shopify store and check if the app is working or not. I will go to the catalog here, and then I will click on the dog food product. And as you can see, the subscription option is visible on the page. We have the title here. Then we have the subscription options here. The subscription details are also available here. I will select the subscription here, and then I will select the monthly and weekly subscription. And you will notice that the discount is also changing in real time. Okay, now let's click on the Buy Now button. This will take us to the checkout, and you can see that the discount is also applicable here. We can also go back to the product page, then increase the product quantity. And if we click on the Buy Now button, you'll see that the discount is applicable based on quantity. Alright, now I will enter all the details here, and then make the payment. Of course, I am using a test payment gateway, so I won't get charged for this. Once the payment is done, you'll be taken to the thank you page. Here, you'll see this Manage Your Subscription option. From here, you'll be able to log into your customer panel. Alternatively, you can simply open your email inbox. You'll find this email after your purchase. If you click on this Manage Subscription button, it will take you to the customer panel. Here you'll see your subscription details. You can pause or cancel your subscription from here. You can see the order frequency, next payment date here. Now click on this Get More Details button. This will give your customers more details and options to manage your subscription. Customers can apply a discount code from here. They can even change the order frequency based on their needs. Under Upcoming Order, they'll see the future orders. The customers will have the option to skip the order or reschedule the order based on their requirements. The past order details will be available under this tab. Basically, you are giving full control to your customers. This will ensure a convenient shopping experience and will make your customers return for more, as they have full control after all. Of course, it's upon you to decide what controls you want to provide to your customers and what controls you want to keep to yourself. You will be able to manage all these details from the customer panel settings. These are very self-explanatory settings, and you won't face trouble changing them for sure. And this is basically everything you need to know to set up a subscription on your Shopify store. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.